Are you tired of setting up budgets that never seem to work? You're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 easy tips to create a budget that actually works. No more giving up halfway or feeling frustrated. Let's make budgeting simple and effective together. Script: how to create a budget that actually works. Hi everyone. Welcome to America Finance. Budgeting doesn't have to be overwhelming or feel restrictive. It's all about taking control of your money so you can spend on what truly matters. In this video, I'll break down 5 proven tips to help you create a budget you'll actually stick to. Stay till the end because I've got a bonus tip that can make a huge difference. 1. Understand your why. Before you even start budgeting, ask yourself, why do I want a budget? Maybe you want to save for a vacation, get out of debt, or build an emergency fund. Having a clear goal will keep you motivated when things get tough. Write down your why and put it somewhere you'll see daily, like on your phone lock screen or fridge. 2. Track your spending. You can't fix what you don't measure. Start by tracking every penny you spend for a month. Use an app, a notebook, or even a simple spreadsheet. This will help you see exactly where your money is going. You might be surprised how much those little daily coffees or impulse buys add up. 3. Use the 50-30-20 rule. This is a super simple budgeting method that works for many people. 50% of your income goes to needs, things like rent, groceries, and utilities. 30% goes to wants, fun stuff like dining out, hobbies, or Netflix. 20% is for savings and debt repayment. Adjust the percentages based on your priorities, but this rule is a great starting point to keep your spending balanced. Number 4. Automate your savings. One of the best ways to stick to a budget is to take the decision-making out of it. Automate your savings so that a portion of your income goes directly into a savings account as soon as you get paid. It's like paying yourself first. Your future self will thank you. Number 5. Review and adjust regularly. Life changes, and so should your budget. At the end of each month, review your spending and see what worked and what didn't. Adjust your budget as needed. Maybe you spent less on groceries but more on gas. That's okay. A flexible budget is a successful budget. Don't forget to reward yourself. Set mini milestones like saving your first $500 or sticking to your budget for 3 months. Treat yourself to something small but meaningful as a reward for staying consistent. Budgeting isn't about perfection, it's about progress. These 5 tips will help you create a budget that works for you. Remember, your financial journey is unique, so make it personal and sustainable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to take control of their money. See you in the next video.